सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. Friends, there is a good news for Redmi 4 users. Brand new Android Oreo 8.1.0 with stable version was released yesterday. The date was 18th January 2018. Friends, in this ROM we can make a geo calls. It's in pre-installed Volte ROM. So friends, except one or two bugs, this ROM is perfectly for Redmi 4. So friends, before install this ROM, I have to tell you three things mainly which I have to enable in your Redmi 4. The first thing, please enable the developer option in your phone, and the second option is please enable OEM unlock in your phone, and the third, please install any custom recovery just like TWRP you may install on your phone. After these three steps you have to complete it, then we need to boot your phone into TWRP recovery mode by pressing volume down and power button simultaneously. So friends, when it was booted into TWRP recovery mode, the screen appears login like this type. In this criteria, before we wipe the ROM, we need to take a backup our ROM. It's mostly important for restore our previous version. Click on backup. In this criteria, then select boot, recovery, system, data and modem. After selecting these, simply swipe right to take a backup. The time of taking backup is depend on your data. In my phone it contains approx 5.5 GB. After taking backup successfully, then we need to go to home screen. Simple, press here back option. When it appears, here we need to wipe temporary data cache before installing this ROM. Click on wipe, select here friends advanced wipe. When the screen was appears, select Dolby Not cache, system, data and cache. After selecting these four items, simply swipe right to wipe. After wiping your data, you need to go to home screen. For installing Oreo ROM, press on back button. Here friend, select install. When the screen is appears, select here OS. After selecting this OS, simply swipe right to install. The installing of OS is taken very little time. Here we are finished the stock ROM. Then here friends, finally we are wiping our temporary data cache and Dolby. Simple, select the wipe cache option and swipe right to wipe your cache. Friends, the stage of wiping is mostly important before reboot into system. After the successfully wiped data, simple friends, press here reboot system. It will take a 4 to 5 minutes to boot your home screen. Friends, I will meet you after completing setup in my phone. Friends, this is an Android version of 8.1.0 in my Redmi 4 phone, and I will show you some apps and settings in this phone. Friends, this is a notification area. With compare with Android Nougat 7.0, the background and foreground has been changed. The listing apps also changed. When you look up into the setting area, the mostly related apps has been segregated in one setting. Just like when we look up into network and internet, we could find in that criteria Wi-Fi, mobile data, usage, hotspot, like that, and the connected device, Bluetooth, CAST, NFC. These are all segregated in connected device. And look up into the display, the wallpaper, sleep, font size, these are all arranged in display. Friends, before we closing, I will show you the properties of my Redmi 4. Friends, here you can see the phone model is Redmi 4 and the Android version is 8.1.0 and the ROM version is 8.1 and the security patch is very recent at January 5, 2018, and the kernel version also, which is Friday, January 5th by 2018. The build date of this ROM is Thursday, January 18, 2018. So friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press on like button and don't forget to comment me, and please subscribe our channel to get very recent updates in this description. So friends, thank you friends. Bye bye friends.